Welcome back sa ating channel, mga Itechi Warrior. For today's video, talaga naman, himay-himayin natin ang mga best loan apps sa Play Store. Yes! Legit na legit talaga siya. At wala kang masasabing ka-joke-jokean. Ang taray, hindi ba? So, himay-himayin natin isa-isa. Sino ba Itechi Warrior? Ops, sandali. Huwag kang mag-skip. Sandali lang, mag-subscribe ka muna and click the notification bell para every time na magkakaroon tayo mga ganitong video, kayong unang maambon na ng chikang bomba. And of course, umaaura tayo sa Facebook and sa TikTok. So don't forget to follow our Facebook page and TikTok account. Team Marcos lang ang malakas. Antaray. Okay, so eto na nga. Team Marcos, ano ba yung sinasabi yung best loan apps in Play Store? Salmon ba o salmon? Basta kayo nang bahalang mag-pronounce kung ano ba ang pronunciation talaga ng salmon. Basta tayo, siya si salmon. Yes. So I tried applying salmon nung mga nakaraang buwan. Unfortunately, I was rejected because alam niyo na nangyari, hindi ba? So panoorin nyo yung video na to sa mga hindi pa nakakapanood ng video na Itechi Warrior. So I did a review of the salmon. So itong si salmon nakikita ko na sa mga malls. Napapadaan ako pag nag-grocery ako sa malls. Nakikita ko na siya as a buy now pay later or installment. 'Di ba? Hindi lang sa mall pero doon sa specific stores talaga ng mall. So like doon sa SM, pupunta ka ng department store, tita. Nandun si salmon nag-aabang as a payment method mo sa cashier. So in case na gusto mong chumukchak or talagang gamitin ang salmon as buy now pay later, you can actually approach the lady doon sa cashier, 'di ba? Tapos tanungin paano ba gamitin yung salmon kinambular, gano'n. So syempre kailangan mo i-download yung app kagaya nito. Once you download the app from the Play Store, and mind you, it has a good rating sa Play Store, 4.6 rating siya. So ito yung i-access nilang information sa'yo. Before we continue, we need access to contacts and device, location for fraud prevention, security, and analytics. While notifications are for reminders and marketing. So contacts, device, location, and notifications lang naman ang permissions na gusto nilang i-access. Unfortunately, yun nga nasabi ko na rejected ako kay Salmon. But marami nagsasabi kasi na si Salmon ay magandang cash loan app for the beginner. Kasi nga, hindi lang siya buy now pay later or installment app for your gadget needs, for your shopping needs, pero pwede din pala siyang cash loan. Pero yun nga lang, yung cash loan kasi is exclusively available to targeted customers that are selected independently by our system, sabi niya. So masesendan ka ng email or text message with the offer of cash loan. So para siyang home credit din, no? Kasi yung home credit meron din silang cash loan, pero exclusive nga lang din, by invitation siya. Etong si Salmon, nakikita ko parang nakikipagbanggaan siya ng very light kay Home Credit. Kasi nga, kung saan si Home Credit, nandun din si Salmon. So napapansin ko ngayon like pumupunta ako sa Abenson, nakikita ko si Salmon din, so kasi Home Credit. Like sa mga appliance center, ganyan. So umaano na rin siya, lumi-level up na siya, Mima. So ano ba, Team Marcos, yung mga loan products na ino-offer ni Salmon? Yun nga, Salmon Financing, that will allow you to buy a product, bring it home on the same day, and pay for it later with installments. So ito na, buy now pay later installment option. This is flexible solution that is available for all Salmon partner in popular malls like SM nga, yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. And then, ito yung terms ng buy now pay later nila. So, ang minimum loan amount mo is 1,000. Ang pinaka-maximum na pwede mong ma-avail dito is up to 30,000 pesos. O diba, antara? And then, may required down payment siya as usual kasi normally naman talaga pag mga ganito like Home Credit, hindi lang naman si Salmon, may down payment talaga. So, itong si Salmon, so required talaga ang down payment. So, that ranges from 10% to 70% of the total purchase. Tapos, ang pinakamaganda dito, mahaba ang term. So, up to 12 months mo pwedeng jutangan or hulugan itong nakuha mong gadget or item via the Salmon financing. O, tita, antara. Tapos, interest rates and fees are calculated for each customer. So, depende kasi it varies yung interest rate mo. Kung maganda ang yung credit score, nakita nila na, ay, ang ganda naman ng alindog ni Kinembular, bigyan natin ng mababang interest. Mga ganun. So, napakahalaga talaga na alagaan natin ang ating credit score. Kasi ako talagang lagapak ngayon, kaya hindi ako na-approve mostly sa mga legit na mga loan app ngayon. So, binibuild ko pa, kumbaga. And then they also have the Salmon Credit, which is a revolving credit line that allows you to borrow money as needed up to a set credit limit. So, para siyang mga G-credit, para din siyang Maya credit, basta revolving credit line siya. Pwede mong gamitin, di ba, for purchases din. You can borrow as many times as you need as long as you pay at least the minimum amount due every month. So, you have the flexibility as a Salmon customer to transfer your available credit to any bank account that supports InstaPay or e-wallet like GCash or Maya, mga ganun. And then there you go, they have Salmon Cash Loan. So ito yung talagang pinakahihintay natin kasi nga in times of need talaga, kailangan natin malapitan. Kailangan natin ng cash, mima. It's a versatile personal loan daw that offers you the freedom to spend on any personal need or desire on taray, di ba, without restrictions on how you use it. You can transfer this money to any bank supporting InstaPay or to any e-wallet such as GCash or Maya. On taray. Tapos ang terms of payment niya, ang haba din, up to 12 months. Diba? So you may want to consider Salmon as your beginner cash loan app. Diba? Taray! So as mentioned earlier, 4.6 ang kanyang rating sa Play Store. Mostly na nagre-review dito has positive reviews talaga with Salmon. So you may check the reviews on Play Store for more information para magkaroon din kayo ng idea ano yung naging experience ng mga user ng Salmon